Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Prince of PJVC back at it again, and welcome back to my channel. After a couple of months, finally, I've been able to put up a new video again. For today, we are going to do a quick unboxing video for this freakingly awesome board by Glorious, which is the GMMK Pro. It's time for me now to change my keyboard from TechWare B68. I've been waiting for this for so long, and now it finally arrives. I will also make a quick typing sound test for this board. I will be using the switches that I had from my previous keyboard, which is the Gateron Black Inks version 2. And for the keycaps, it will be the black on white cherry profile PBT keycaps. For this video, I'm just going to share you my inputs for this board since I've already seen a lot of reviews about this. And to be honest, I'm so excited to test it out immediately. So instead of opening the board and showing it to you one by one, we'll just do the unboxing and of course the most favorite part of all, the typing sound test. I really love this board and I was planning to get the white ice version of this, but I was kind of disappointed when I first saw the actual look of it since I was expecting a smooth white color just like my other case, which is the Tofu 60% E white. You know, I really love color white for my stuffs, but anyways, when I saw the black slate, I just decided to get the black one. For the packaging, it is very premium looking and very different from the other GMMK product. Maybe since this is a special board that they prepared for enthusiasts and who really love keyboard like us. As you have noticed, for the F1 to F12 keys, I used Milky Gateron yellows because I was lack of Gateron ink black. Since I'm not usually using those parts, it would be fine for me. And here comes the keycaps. I'm going to use the white keycaps to complement it for my build since my overall setup is black and white and I hope it will match everything. Before we proceed to the typing sound test, I would like to inform you that the stabilizers are straight out of the box. I didn't lube it to show you how it sounds like without modding it. But after this video, I'll probably make another one to try with different plates, and of course, I strongly suggest you to mod your stabs if you get a GMMK Pro because it still rattles even though it is pre-lubed. As you can hear, the stabs doesn't really sound good at all. So for sure, it will need a bit of touch to make it better. Once again, it's your boy Prince of PGVC. Thank you for watching my video. I really missed you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button below so you'll get notified to my future uploads. That's it for today. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Peace.